Now students, now we are going to do workbook problems. Okay, similar questions what we did. So in textbook, that similar questions again. So we are going to do more extra sums from our workbook. See here in the workbook, first question, read the information given in the chart. In the chart, information is given. So using this information, answer the questions. Okay, first, what is the information? So this is favorite school activities. Favorite school activities. Here dance, art and craft, games. So girls, 12 girls like dance. 12 girls favorite activity is dance, and 16 girls favorite activity is art and craft, and 8 girls favorite activity is games. In the same way, 5 boys favorite activity is dance, and 9 boys favorite activity is art and craft, and 20 boys favorite activity games. Okay, now so this is the information chart. This is the information chart. Okay, using this information chart, so answer these questions. Okay, in the example, how many boys voted in all? How many boys? How many boys means this total, this row we should add. We should add complete row. So what is the complete row? So boys row. This is boys row. This complete we should add 5, 9 and 20. Total boys. 5 plus 9 plus 20. So 5 plus 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 plus 0, 14. 14 means 4, and 1 we should take carry over on tens place. Then 2 plus 1, 3, 34. Total how many boys voted? Total boys voted. Total boys 34 boys they voted. Okay, so this is our first question answer. Okay, that is example. Here, so what is the favorite activity among the girls? So among the girls means in this girls column we should check. So the first is 12, the second is 16, the third is 88. The third is 8. 12, 16 and 8. Which one is the greater one? 16. 16 means art and craft. The girls' favorite game is art and craft. Art and craft. Art and craft. Okay, art and craft. So the girls' favorite game. So next, what is the favorite activity of the boys? Boys' favorite activities. In the boys column, so we should check in boys column. 5, 9, 20. 20 is the greater. So 20 means games. The favorite boys' favorite activity is games. Games. They like games. Most of the boys they like games. Okay. The next one. So what is the favorite activity overall? Overall means overall we should add here. So in the last column we should add 5 plus 2, 6, 7, 17. So here in first column 17, 9, 10, 5, 1 here, 25, 25 here, 8 and 2, 28. Overall, which one is the most one means highest number? 17, 25, 28. 28 means overall games. Overall games as a favorite activity. Games. Overall games. Okay. Now the question, next question is the birthday information of a class in a school as follows. Here birthday information is given in a school, in particular school birthday information is given. Okay. See here what is the information given? So month, girls, boys. In a particular month, in the month of January, so how many girls they born? 3. How many boys? 5. In the month of January. So 3 girls born and 5 boys born. And in the month of March, 4 girls born, 7 boys born. Next, in the month of July, 5 girls born and 2 boys born. Okay. In the month of September, 6 girls born. So nothing, no boys. No boys born in the month of September. Okay. Now, in the month of November, 2 girls born and 1 boy born. Okay. Now, this is the information chart. So, using this information chart, so we should answer the following these questions. 3 questions are given. These 3 questions, so we answer. So, the first question, how many children have their birthday in March? In March, this is the March month. How many children? How many children means girls and boys. We should add girls and boys. Then how many girls born? So 4 girls, that is 4, and how many boys born? 7. 4 plus 7. Then 4 plus 7 is how much? 7. 7 plus 4, 4 plus 7, same answer, 7 and 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Answer is 11. So, how many children they born in the month of March? 11. 11 children born in the month of March. Next answer. First read the question. In which month no boy has his birthday? No boy has his birthday. In which month? No boy has his birthday means, so no boy born in particular month. So then only no birthday, nothing. So it means in which month? In the month of September. In the month of September, so no boy has his birthday. So which month? September. The answer is September. In the month of September, no boy has his birthday. Okay. The next one. How many children are there in the class? In the class, how many children are there? So how many children means number of girls and number of boys. We should add number of boys and number of girls. Then you will get total how many children are there in particular month. See here, how many girls? Add total girls. 3 plus 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 6, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 plus 2, 19, 20. How many girls? 20 girls. Total 20 girls. Total girls 20 girls. Then total boys. 5 plus 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 2, 13, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. How many boys? 15 boys. Total how many girls are there in a class? 20. Then how many boys are there? 15. Then how many children means total girls and total boys? 20 and 15. Add 20 and 15. Total boys and total girls. Then 0 plus 5, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 35. Total children in a class. That implies total children in the class. How many? 35 children were there in a class. Okay. Yes. Now students, next questions based on pictograph. Based on pictograph. So here in first question what is given? So there are 30 students in a class. How many students? 30 students. Total 30 students are there in a class. So they showed a linking for different fruits. So it is represented in the pictograph. So in the pictograph it is represented. So how many students like so and so different types of fruits? So that is shown in a pictograph. See here. So fruits, 4 different types of fruits given. So one is dates, grapes, guava, pineapple, watermelon. Okay. So these 5 different fruits given. So here, how many students they like dates? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 students, 9 children they like dates. Then how many children they like grapes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 children they like grapes. Then how many children they like guava? So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Guava how many? 7. 7 children they like guava. Okay. Then how many children they like pineapple? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 children they like pineapple. Okay. The next, watermelon. How many children they like watermelon? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 children they like watermelon. Okay. So this is the information about 30 students. 30 students. So here question based on this pictograph. The first question, which fruit is liked more? So liked more, that is pineapple or grapes. Pineapple. See here, pineapple and grapes. Tally pineapple and grapes. So 5 children they liked pineapple and 8 children they like grape. So 8 means 8 is more than this 5 means grapes. Grapes liked more. Grape liked more. Okay. So the answer is grapes. Okay. Next, which fruit is liked less? Liked less. The comparison between watermelon and dates. So watermelon. So where is watermelon? This is here. This is watermelon, and after that dates. Watermelon, dates. Compare these two quantities. Less quantity he is asking. Less means 9 is less or 4 is less. 4 is less means watermelon. So answer is watermelon. So less he is asking. So answer is watermelon. The next, which fruit is liked more? More, here more, that is guava and dates. So guava. So here guava and dates. So comparison in between these two. More comparison. So more he is asking. More comparison means in between 7 and 9, which one is more? Dates. Means date. The answer is dates. Okay. So which fruit is liked less? Here less. Comparison between pineapple and guava. So pineapple. So pineapple. Comparison between these two. These two comparison. So what? Less comparison, more, less comparison. Less means if we compare 7 and 5, 5 is less. It means pineapple. Pineapple. Okay. The next, which fruit is liked by least number? So in all this, which one is the least number? 4 is the least. 4 is the least number. In all 5 fruits, the least fruit they liked, that is watermelon. That is watermelon. Watermelon. Next, which fruit is liked most number of children? So in this most number of children, so which fruit they like more? So in this all, dates. Okay, the answer is dates. Okay, so these are the answers. The given information from the pictograph, first we should understand. So and after that, so read the question and answer. Okay, students. So in a pictograph, second question. See here. So David bought a weighing machine. So he took the weight of his friends and made a chart. So read the data and answer the question. So he took a weighing machine. So who? David. So he bought a weighing machine. So and after that, what he did? So he weighs his friends. Okay. And after that, he made a chart. So he made a chart. So what is there in the chart? See in the chart. So 5 friends. So his 5 friends weight. So he find 5 friends weight. So what is his friends weight? First, so Mac weight is given, that is 30 kg. See here in the picture, that is 30 kg is given Mac weight. So then after that, Mary weight is given. So Mary weight is 25 kg. Then after that, John weight is 28 kgs. John weight is 28 kgs. Then after that, so Rita weight is 32 kgs. Rita weight 32 kgs. Then after that, so Jenny weight is given. So, Jenny weight is 30 kgs. Total 5 friends weight. So, he noted and he make a chart. And after that, so questions based on that data. So, he is asking, so what is the question? The first question, who weights the most? Who weights the most? Here, so first see the numbers. So, weight 30 kg, 25 kgs and 28 kgs, 32 kgs and 30 kgs. In all 32 kgs, that is the highest weight. 32 kgs is the highest weight. Whose weight is 32 kgs? That is Rita. So, Rita weight is highest. That is answer, Rita weight. Okay. Next, in the second question, so which two friends weight the same? So, same weight means same weight same numeral. So, that is 30 and 30 kgs. 30 and 30, 2 times 30 and 30 is there. So, that is Mac weight and Jenny weight. Mac and Jenny. So, answer, Mac and Jenny, so both have equal weight. So, Mac and Jenny both have equal weight, 30 kgs weight. Both have 30 kgs. Okay. Next, who weights least? Least means least value, lowest value, smallest number, smallest weight. So, in that smallest is 25 kgs. Who is having 25 kgs weight there? So, Mary. So, Mary's weight is 25 kgs. Mary weight. Then, the last question, what is the difference between the Jenny's and Mary's weight? Jenny weight, first you find where, so what is the Jenny's weight there? 30 kgs and after that 25 kgs Mary's weight. So, that is 30 minus 25, 30 kg minus 25 kg. 30 minus 25 means from 25 to 30, so we have to count 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. It is 5 kg. So, how much it is? 5 kg. So, difference in the weight is 5 kg. Okay, okay students. Yes students, son of enrichment activity. So, this is general activity given. So, for you. So, what is here? So, here it is given 12 total in a class 12 children, they are coming to school by walk and 8 students come by bicycle and after that 15 children they come by bus. So, that information is given, that is general information he has given. So, then some pictures are given. So, 4 pictures are given, some students coming to school by cycle and by bus and by walk. So, they are coming. So, how many students they are coming by bus, by cycle and by walk? So, that number of students we should write. So, in particular given picture. So, in the first picture it is given that school picture is given. In the school picture total how many students? Total how many students in particular class, that we should write in first picture. In first picture one school picture is given, see there in that school picture total how many students, how many children were there in a class, that we should write. Then in the second picture bicycle is given. So, the student he is coming by bicycle. So, then how many students they come by bicycle, that we should write opposite to that. So, according to the data here it is given how many students. So, that is 8 children, 8 children they coming by school by bicycle. So, that 8 we should write in the second picture. So, the third picture one bus is given. How many students come to school by bus, that is given 15. So, there we should write 15 in the box. So, in the last fourth picture, so one student he is coming to school by walk. Then according to the data how many children they are coming by walk, 12 children. So, there we should write 12. This is, so from the data we should do like that. So, then after that what you should do, again the same pictures you should take and so find out in the classmates, how many classmates are there, first you write classmates. So, in first picture. So, then after that number of students, beside that, so number of students by how many students of your class, so they are coming to school by bicycle and by bus and by walk. So, that particular number of students we should write beside the picture. Okay. So, this is general activity you should do by yourself. Okay. Okay students.